how to use Bluestacks on your laptop in Windows 11. So Bluestacks is an application that lets you emulate Android apps. So basically what you can do is you can download apps from things like the Google Play Store, and you can go and use Android apps on your Windows computer. Now to do this, you'll first need to open up an internet browser, type in the word Bluestacks download and click on this top website, which is bluestacks.com. Now once you're on the website, press the download Bluestacks button. Make sure you're downloading this from the official website, which is bluestacks.com, and then you can click on this downloaded file. You can then agree to the terms and conditions and press install. Now once it's finished installing, you'll need to click on the Home tab. And now there's a few things you can do. So if you go and click on System Apps, you could then open up the Google Play Store. And this is where we can go and download Google and Android apps to our Windows computer. So you will need to click on the sign in button and you'll need to go and sign in to your Google account. Once you're signed in, you can use the search box to search for any apps you want to download. And from here, you can go and download Android apps. Now, if you click back on the Home tab and click on System Apps, you also have the option for Media Manager. And what we can do from here is import and also export to Windows. So this is useful if you want to use pictures and videos from your computer and go and import them into Bluestacks. Now, if you have an APK file on your computer and you want to download it using Bluestacks, you can click on APK from the right-hand side, and then you can just select the APK file on your computer and you can go and download apps directly from this window. Now, the final thing to note is that if Bluestacks is lagging or it's running slowly, you'll need to come over to the settings bar in the right-hand navigation, and you can try changing the CPU allocation. So if you already have this set to the highest, you can try reducing it down to medium, and then for the memory allocation, you can actually try increasing this, and for the performance mode, set to high performance. And once you've applied all of these settings, go and press save, and that's how to use Bluestacks on your Windows computer.